Hello, Stone Creek kids, parents, volunteers, everybody. This special announcement video is specifically for our parents and our volunteers. And so we thank you for tuning in. We thank you for checking this out. And we are excited to announce a couple of the things that are coming up over the weekend. But make sure that if you are not a parent or volunteer, you should not be watching this video. I'm going to give you a couple seconds so you can hand the phone back to mom or dad or close the window because this is a special surprise for you guys. But I want to talk to the parents and the volunteers real quick. So thank you very much. Parents, volunteers, thank you for tuning in. This announcement simply is just what's happening over the next week in the children's ministry. This Friday, I sent out an email to you all, and if you haven't received it, please let me know. But I sent it out through the church database and to try to get it to everybody. This Friday, we are going to be packing boxes for kids. We have a bunch of donations that have come through, and so we're packing up these boxes, and we're going to personally deliver them out to all of the families in the church. So we're very, very excited for this opportunity, and we need some help, though. We've got a huge response of people that are willing to help pack and deliver these boxes that we're packing up. We're very, very excited about just being able to be a little bit of love and joy and comfort during this holiday season. So thank you so much to all of you who have already reached out. It's been an amazing response over the last 24 hours. It's exciting and encouraging. So thank you very, very much. The second part of that is that we are delivering those boxes personally on Saturday. We are, unless there are some exceptions, but we're trying to get these delivered by this weekend so that we can respect and be careful and considerate of your time and your schedules, especially during the holiday season. So parents, that's where you come in, is that we are going to be working on coordinating these deliveries over the weekend. And so we are going to have just some contact info for our volunteers to use to get a hold of you guys as they're out delivering these boxes. So thank you for your understanding and your patience as we coordinate all these things. But we're really excited to just give and bless your kids and your families with something this holiday season. Again, just to bring some joy and some comfort and some love from us in the children's ministry right into your homes. So thank you very much. The last announcement is our Christmas lesson this upcoming Sunday. We're very, very excited for this. Just to have an opportunity to talk about the birth of Jesus and the story and why it's so significant to us. So we encourage everybody to tune in to that message where we are doing a special Christmas lesson. We're taking a break from our epic teachings of the Bible and teaching a Christmas lesson for 1 week. And we're going to go right back into our next series on the following Sunday where we go into God's commandments. So those are all my announcements for today. Thank you so much for checking out this really quick video. I appreciate all of you. Your families and your kids are loved and missed. And we hope you guys have a blessed, safe holiday season and a Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching this. I'll see you soon.